I am Tera. Welcome. So today it is the 14th of April. So that means I'm either doing a Kipling or a Vera Bradley. But since you guys saw, what was it, like a week ago? My $1,000 worth of Vera Bradley. I thought, let's do a Vera Bradley. Let's continue that because I want to show you guys all the pieces I got. Thank you to everyone who watched that video. If you haven't, I will link the Vera Bradley playlist on the bottom. Down there. I think it's down there. I'm not even sure. When we link, it's on the bottom, right? It doesn't go on top anywhere.
I think it goes on the bottom. Yeah,
okay.
It used to go on the top, but it doesn't anymore.
So I will link for you guys my Vera Bradley playlist. I can also link, I think I'll link the fashion daily, what I look like, my makeup and my handbags. That's all also fun. And then I'll link my bag of the month from Burbank. I will link the unboxing of that. That has like a whole 3 years of bag of the months that I've done for you guys here. So I know I feel good about that. So you guys can go watch that too. So those are some fun playlists. I'm gonna link on the bottom. So yeah, I spent $1,000 on the Vera Bradley Belle Beauty and the Beast drop, and I don't regret it. Some of them were of course duplicates that are for my friends. Some of them are for me, and I might even sell a couple here and there. I'm not even sure because I just wanted to get as many pieces as I could. I didn't want to miss out because I always miss out on the drops of everything, and then I have to go chase them. So when I got the notification, I got it. So I'm happy. Today we're gonna unbox maybe 3. I'll show you guys 3 of them. The mini backpack, very popular. It is very mini. I had no idea it was this small.
That is tiny.
I have Chip here with us to watch. My Chip cup. I don't know if you guys can see it. Here, I'll go here. I have my homemade iced coffee. I decided to make my own iced coffee because I was getting a coffee every day almost, and that adds up.
Yeah.
So I bought my own iced coffee ice, and I could drink as much as I want. This is already cup number 2, and what time is it? Like it's like 12.
It's
okay?
like 12, yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna fly around the room, but making my own coffee. Think about it, $5 a day, I could buy a lot of bags.
Yeah. What you save there, you can get back there.
Exactly. This is the small backpack. So there's, I guess, 3 sizes of backpack. There was a larger one that I didn't buy. So this is the small, the mini. We're gonna open both of these for my backpack lovers. Yeah. What else? Okay, so this is a duplicate of the Evie. Evie is on display somewhere here. I'll take pictures at the end. So this is gonna be for my friend. This one is the cosmetic case, which is right here.
Yep.
Mrs. Pot and Chip right here. Okay, so this is also for a friend. I'm not gonna open that. Let's open something else fun. Okay, we'll open this little guy. This one is a, oh god, I forgot to. It's a keepsake jewelry organizer. So we'll open that. We still have a lot in here. What else we got? Let me see. So here's the duplicates. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more pieces in there. Okay. Now we can open maybe next month. We'll see how the month goes. Here, Barbara, you can take that. I don't want to throw it because that was expensive. Okay. So let's start with this one. Okay. So this is the cutest little box. I had no idea these were this small. I thought this was going to be something of that size, but it's really small. It's called a keepsake jewelry organizer. Okay. Look how cute. It is in that same beautiful mauve color. I'm calling it mauve. I was probably saying it wrong. It's like a purpley pink, but not pink, not purple. It's more of a lilac-y kind of color. So it says keepsake jewelry organizer right here. Literary
Literary, yeah.
Bell is the design, and it says $35. Oh, that's adorable. Look at that, guys. Robert, bring it forward. Look at that. That is beautiful. You know that's beautiful. I don't know who you are if you don't like Belle. That is beautiful. I think Beauty and the Beast is one of my favorite of the Disney cartoons. It's probably in the top 5.
Yeah, classic Disney, yeah.
So beautiful. So it's just all in the back. There's nothing. Beautiful shape. Don't kind of like this round shape. And it has a zipper. Everything is the same color. The zipper, the tags, everything. Everything's the same color. I love that. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Inside here is a little cushiony pocket. So you could put like some jewelry pieces. It is a jewelry case. And then the open on the bottom here. Look. Okay, Robert, bring it forward. Of course, my assistant, Robert. Here you go. Look at that. Show them the pouch too on the top. Very simple, very beautiful, classy. Love it. So that is the jewelry case, guys. If you're interested, I did see some listed already for a lot more on eBay. So this is what happens. They do the drop and then it gets really, really expensive. That's why I bought so much. Next up, the mini backpack. For all you backpack lovers, this is so cute. It is in the same print. I know there was another print, but not all the items had the other print. So I only got what was available. So it is already running out. So this one says mini backpack, Belle floral cameos. That's what it says. Oh, it's because it has. Oh, I see. See the print on here, the cameo of Belle and Beast dancing. That's the print on here. It's like little of them. Here, show it. Go forward. You see it? Isn't that beautiful? Turn it around. So it is just a mini backpack. Very cute for someone who doesn't like to hold like a big backpack. This would be great to actually wear on your visits to Disneyland.
Yeah, it would be, yeah.
It is, of course, that soft, cushiony loveliness that Vera Bradley is known for. I love this quilty. Look, it has the adjustable. You can hold it from here. In the back here, there is nothing. In the front here, you have 2 pockets. So let's see in the front. Just open. Look how cute. Oh, and the fabric inside is different. Look at that. That's so cute. It's the scenes from all the cartoon. Look at that. Very cute. I love that. Again, this is the mini backpack, guys. And then there is the tag, if that will help. It says it was $80. I think it was that much. Back here, there is a zipper pocket. Inside, there's nothing else, just an open backpack. Here, bring it forward so they can see the fabric inside. That is so cute.
Yeah, I think it looks a little different than the one on the outside,
yeah,
actually.
It's different.
Because it says
scenes from the.
It's scenes from the actual thing. Yeah.
It's adorable.
It has the characters in it.
Said. So this one, the outside is the scene of Belle and Beast.
Yeah.
Now this one
it's the opposite.
The scene of what's inside.
Yeah.
Okay, that's amazing.
I think the other scene depicts what looks like the characters watching them dance.
It's beautiful. Okay, so there you go. This is the mini backpack, guys. Put them here. Don't cover so much of Chip.
He's hiding behind it.
Okay, and then now we have the small. I think this is the small backpack, as I said. Yeah, small. So they did have a regular backpack, I would say, and a large backpack. So I'm not that into the backpacks, so I didn't order the big ones.
Large backpacks are kind of difficult to have anyway.
Yeah,
And
it's
they're
like,
yeah.
I don't know. I don't get the enjoyment of a backpack anymore since I'm not in school anymore.
Yeah.
But I know a lot of ladies enjoy the backpack, and if you can wear it, I think it's great. It's great. Look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so this has the handles. Again, it's adjustable backpack handles. It has a pocket back here.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's like a hidden compartment. It's pretty big. Where's my phone so I can show this? What do I do with my phone?
Let me put it over there.
Oh, that's alright.
Here it is. Yeah, you put that.
This one shows the size. Okay. So yeah. Oh yeah, I'll hold the phone. Even though maybe a little tablet. And on the sides here, there is little pockets. Wow, this is really full for a little guy, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
What would you put in there? Maybe a water bottle?
I used to think it's a water bottle, but it seems like it's a bit too... Maybe like a small water bottle.
So my hand does fit. Two sides. Has the bottom, nothing. Okay. Again, pocket in the back. It is in that beautiful colors that the inside of this mini is. Let's take it forward so you can see it. It's a beautiful scene. Beautiful.
Yeah, it looks like this is showing the characters reacting to them dancing, I think.
I think these are scenes from the movie.
Yeah.
So let's see. Okay. So in the front here, the pocket. Oh, that's nice. It has organization. So inside the pocket there is one slip pocket and 2 pen slots. There's 2 pen slots in there. That's really creative.
Mm-hmm.
So you can actually use this as a backpack.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So yeah, 1 slip pocket and 2 pen areas. Now the inside of this is the same as the outside. That's weird because the mini one had this scene in the inside. But this one is the same. Inside and out. Again, I love it. Everything matches. The zippers, the little tags, everything is the same color. It's beautiful. Isn't it beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
Very, very beautifully made. Ooh. That's nice. Look at in here. Now talk about organization. Look at that. Has a slip pocket. Nice and wide. Here is the tag. So this one was $95. I remember it was. Small backpack. Again, Belle Petite Floral. That's what it says. Cool. And that's the tag if you want to go look it up. On this side there is 1 and 2 slip pockets. So that's a lot of organization for a small backpack. I love it. Okay. So there you have it, guys. My Vera Bradley for the 14th.
Is the candle a candle or candelabra?
It's a candelabra.
He's a candelabra, right?
Yeah.
Because he's 3 of them, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Because I always
it's
wondered
3
about
pieces,
that.
Candelabra. Yeah, it's not 1 candle. So there you have it, guys. My Vera Bradley for the 14th. Thank you all for stopping by. And we are continuing my $1,000 worth of Vera Bradley for the month. I think I'll be able to do 1 more video for you guys at the end of the month. So that we'll be showing all the pieces before they run out because my kids have been taking some out already. So there you have it. Small backpack, mini backpack.
I wish there was...
and the jewelry case. Go on.
I'm so sorry. I wish there was like... is there Pixar themed stuff that they also do? Or is it just the, like classic
They do
Disney?
it's always a different drop. I do have a Mickey Mouse piece too. They had a Mickey Mouse as
It'd be really cool if they like a Toy Story or like a Monsters Inc.
have.
one. Yeah, that'd be
They
cool.
have. You want me to look it up? I'll
Yeah, you
look
should look it up.
Okay. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe and get that notification, guys. This is the pieces we did before so far. And then let me have that one up there too so they can see it. The Belle book. Yeah, so they're following me.
The duck was
And this is the Evie, guys, the Evie bag. Okay. So this is all the pieces I've unboxed already from that big $1,000 haul. So If you haven't, I will link everything on bottom. Go watch my Vera Bradley playlist. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.